Hey there, hashtag Hippo Hacks, a bite-sized video series on our features is back again after a short gap. While we were away, we've been working on bringing fresh content on topics that boost your everyday productivity and learning. So say hello to the whole new series. I'm here on your screen today with a topic that can rock your world. If you're into marketing or sales, you use it almost every day. Ever watched a video, read an email, or walk into a website, then have a link that appears and asks you to do something? That's a CTA. There's no exaggeration saying that CTAs are the bread and butter for marketers and salespeople. Because without a clear CTA at the end of an email or a call, there is no next step in your cycle. CTAs are great as they ask the prospect to do only one thing, guiding the next step. So what makes a good CTA? Its ability to make people take the intended action. So how do you write a CTA? When you're doing this, think about the goal that you're trying to achieve. Are you looking forward to increasing your sales or moving the user to another content? Once you decide upon this, get down to framing your CTA. There are two types of CTAs, interest CTAs and specific CTAs. Interest CTAs are inserted in cold emails, calls, and the specific ones are used in the context of booking a meeting with the prospect of exploring the possibility of a catch-up. To get down to coming up with the CTA, there are a lot of generic CTAs out there, but the viewers are generally tone deaf to these run-of-the-mill CTAs. Embellish your CTA with clever use of language and make them take the action that you want them to take. In the marketing context, action verbs such as subscribe, shop, order, or anything creative apart from this. But in sales, you need to be a little bit more descriptive and ensure that you leave the ball in the prospect's court. In other words, ask open-ended questions like, does this make sense? Is this a problem that your team is trying to solve? Or how about a call on this particular time and date? Again, these are some of the most CTAs in sales and marketing. You can always get creative and find out what works best to achieve your goals. There are some points to keep in mind before you add one, so let's get down to it. By now, you have decided what your end goal is. While you frame a CTA, understand that this is the way to know whether the prospect is willing to learn more about you. Make it jump right out of the page. A great CTA is a good combination between persuasive language and a well-crafted design. You can also use bright colors around the CTA. Take a zero-pressure approach. Enable them to browse your website for free. The CTA needs to be a low-risk but high-value proposition. This way they can assess if they would like to go on or not. Give the audience a reason as to why they should take the action that you want them to. What problem does it solve and your USP. Use terms that provoke an emotion like buy now and get 50% off. See here, not only are you providing a benefit, but who wouldn't want to save money? Now let's get down to how you can add a CTA in Hippo Video. Surprised? You can now add a CTA in the simplest way possible in Hippo Video. So let's get down to it. On recording your video, you will find a number of options here. When you scroll down, one of them is Video CTA. Click on that and you will find a number of varieties of CTAs like in-video meeting link, call to action, annotation, embed custom CRM form, lead generation form, custom port, and promoting a playlist. Let's click on call to action. For the type of call to action, I'm going to choose HTML and add the link here and also choose the time in the video where this appears. Once done, click on apply and your CTA has now been added successfully, as you can see here. You can add each of these CTAs according to what suits you best. Follow hashtag Hippo Hacks for more such bite-sized videos on Hippo Video features and seasoned productivity hacks. If you're into B2B space, you shouldn't be missing out on this. As always, I will see you in our next bite-sized hashtag Hippo Hacks video. Thanks for watching.